I'm Kennah and welcome to my channel! Alright! Andito na naman po tayo sa panibagong makeup tutorial. And actually, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin natin. Pero, yeah, meron akong nakahanda dito pero hindi ko siya masyadong bet. I mean, yan, may copy kasi ko. Every time na nagme-makeup tutorial ako, meron talaga akong ganito. Andyan lang sa tabi. Para meron akong guide kung ano yung susunod na color na ilalagay ganun. Ililista ko para hindi ako magkamali. So, ganun ako ka-prepared. Sasabihin ko naman kung hindi ako prepared eh. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung susundin ko ba yan or lalaro na lang ako sa mga kulay na meron ako dito. Pero I think, susundin na lang natin kasi wala rin ako sa mood laki ng eye bags ko po yan pa more. Yeah, wala rin ako sa mood para mag-explore ng mga colorful things. And hindi to colorful. This is just a mustard yellow eyeshadow. Ayon dito sa aking copy. So, yes. Tignan natin kung saan ko kayo madadala. I'm wearing the top na sinuot ko, same doon sa aking acne journey video, but okay lang yan. Walang masama sa pag-ulit ng damit. Lahat ng products na gagamitin ko nasa description box, just in case na hindi ninyo masundan. And wala naman akong bagong gagamitin as far as I remember. So, without further ado, let's put some makeup dito sa aking hagardo face kasi naiinis na ako sa face ko.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devils speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True now, crying getting old. Hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
So yes, yun na nga po ang ating makeup tutorial. At ito na po ang ating final look or finish look. Sana nagustuhan niyo kasi ako, GGSS na naman akes dito sa ating makeup look. Actually, pangalawang outro ko na to. Inulit ko lang dahil nakita ko yung kilay ko na hindi pala maayos yung pagkakatabas. Pagpasensya nyo na kung all throughout the video hindi maayos yung kilay natin. Lahat ng ginamit ko dito sa makeup tutorial na to nasa description box para in case na meron kayo nagustuhan na performance, alam niyo kung anong brand ang hahanapin, kaya check out. Plus, ang aking accessories ay galing sa of course, sa shop ko, the Fancy Aesthetic. So, this will be available soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Of course, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button para naman, you know, and comment down below kung ano yung mga makeup looks na gusto nyo pang gawin ko. If you haven't followed me on my social media accounts, please follow me. All the links down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next tutorial. Bye-bye!